There they go. There it goes.
Hey guys, I'm Erin.
I'm Travis.
And we're our lively tribe.
Oh, so what are we talking about? This is a 5-week update.
Tomorrow's our 5-week quarantine-versary.
Oh my god.
Is that a word?
It is now in this weird time that we're living in.
Yeah. I realized I have not filmed much this week because there's not much happening. Every day feels like the same.
Yeah, it's weird. Except the weather. When the weather's better, man, the days are better.
It's finally sunny, and yeah, I missed that. The next couple weeks are supposed to be nice too, in the 70s, maybe 80.
Oh, and 80 sounds so hot now.
I know. But
we'll see what that feels like. Probably take my shirt off.
I won't. But I thought we'd give an update. I have some video. Last Friday night we did In-N-Out for dinner, and it was just kind of our 4-week.
That was our celebration.
Yeah, we treated ourselves to In-N-Out.
That's how we celebrated 4 weeks.
Not ourselves,
I'm
but
already getting tired.
We did get In-N-Out for the boys too. And your parents, they joined us.
Yeah.
So Travis's parents, we live on their back property, so we're all quarantined together. So we had some In-N-Out, and it was delicious.
Yeah. It's still not quite as good as when you get it and you eat it there.
Yeah.
But, you know.
Is your arm burning?
You do, you can. Not now that I'm holding it up with my other arm.
Should I stand on the other side?
Okay.
And then Easter Sunday. How was that? We woke up early and we did sunrise service.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
That was fun. The dude we watched is a guy that you know. And he was so, like, energetic, and so he was kind of entertaining to watch.
He just made you feel good.
Whereas some of them can be so slow and boring, but he's flailing his arms around, and I thought that was fun.
He had a good message. I feel like it was a good thing to kind of start our Sunday with, and
yeah, he did do a good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was upper, not a downer, which was nice.
And then the boys woke up, and we had Easter baskets outside. I'd gotten them a little Lego set and a swimsuit, very modest. A couple markers.
Yeah, we didn't even get chocolate bunnies. I didn't even get to eat any.
I didn't go to the store. I ordered a few things through Target, and that was kind of it. But they didn't complain once.
No, they were stoked. I think Trenton said it was the best day ever. He does say that quite often, but then he also says quite often, like, this is the worst day ever. So.
Yeah, he, like, stubs his toe. He's like, this is the worst day of my life.
Yeah, he's very...
dramatic.
Very dramatic, that boy.
He's our Sour Patch Kid for sure.
Oh, yeah, he's either so sweet. Like, this morning he woke up like a... Because no one was in bed with him. He woke up by himself. And to him, that's, like, the worst thing ever.
He was angry.
Yeah. Did you tell him about the snake we saw today?
Ooh, you got some good pictures of that, huh?
Oh, man. My dad called me on my phone, which he never does because we live like 100 yards from him. Called me on my phone, and I'm like, what's up? He's like, there's a snake up here. Come quick. I'm like, okay.
I didn't rush up there.
Huge. You'll see a picture of it. Aaron will have to post it.
What kind of snake?
It was a gopher snake.
He was not happy.
Oh, my gosh. He was ready to strike. And but it was awesome, and the boys were just so fascinated.
What'd you end up doing with it?
Ate him. We cooked him and ate him. No, we just finally left him alone, and he wandered off, but he was mad.
Yeah.
He was so angry. He was huge. He had to be like, I bet when he stretched out, he'd be like 6 feet. He's huge.
Uh-oh, River's crying. So, we'll update you with what Travis has been doing at work, and, yeah, go ahead and share your...
Am I going to share the rig and stuff? Let's see. So yeah, so thankfully, let me get some good light here. I'm a photographer. I think it'll be better. A little bit. So that's one thing. I'm so lucky that I'm able to keep working, and I'm finally gotten to parts of the rigs that are fun, and building and being creative and figuring out problems, which is the best part. The painting and the flooring is just grueling. So now I've gotten to the fun stuff. So I built in the fifth wheel Meredith. I did her kitchen. I got the sink in. Still need to finish hooking up the faucet. Built a drawer. So I'm slowly like getting the big stuff put in there, which is fun because then all that leads to the other fun parts of it. So I can go walk you through there and give you a little tour. So this is the stuff I've been working on most recently. Oh, kids are in trouble. Yeah, so here's the kitchen counter. So excited for how it turned out. Got butcher block. Got it all oiled up. I think I did 4 things of oil on it. Super nice. Another angle of the kitchen. So it's gonna be a corner sink. But ooh, that's a cool picture. Let's see if I can get that in. Okay, babe, you gotta look right here. Here's a really cool picture. So when you're editing it, you can freeze it. Boom. Look who's in here. Hi, sweet boy. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, show him how you walk. Let's show him. Ready? Ready?
Come here, babe. Whoa, whoa.
Oh.
Right to the ground. River. Say uh-oh. Yeah. So then I got this drawer under the stove, which is always so useful, man. So that's the spot where the stove will go. So yeah, we're really excited with how this kitchen's turning out. Turn around, there's my beautiful wife. She always rolls her face at me when I compliment her. So this is the project I'm working on right now. I am working on putting a drawer / step in that bottom one. So I've got it built. I'm just trying to figure out the where to mount it. So yeah. So it's been good. It's been as far as work goes, it's been good, and I've been able to keep the working and get things done. Going out's weird, but it's weird for everyone, so.
And you're really limiting your trips to Lowe's. You used to go every day.
I wanted to go this morning because I always would just stop and go when I just needed something. And now I find myself being like, no, I'll work on something else and kind of get more of a list going, which is a bummer because then I kind of put things off, but I guess it's the best thing for now.
But the good thing with Lowe's too is you're literally not making any contact with anyone.
Just
you wear your mask and gloves and.
Yeah, weird. So weird. It's weird how yesterday I had a slight sore throat, and it throws you into a paranoia of oh my gosh, what are the other symptoms? What's going on? And it just comes down to I had a sore throat, probably the weather, whatever. Woke up today. And it was kind of sore, but now I haven't noticed it at all. So
I know. All of that. I think allergies, too, are making everybody crazy. Because it's allergy season. And so you get a scratchy throat or something. And
yeah, it's... we're all feeling it, so...
Yeah.
This isn't
all right, I got to get a baby out of here before he destroys the place.
And that has nails on it.
All right. Thank you.
Peace out. Alright, so I just finally finished getting the drawers. Oh, hold on, there's a lawnmower going by. I just got in the drawer / step stool for Henry in his little bathroom in the Meredith fifth wheel. Hold on, my dad's going by again on a lawnmower. Oh. So I brought in Trenton to be our tester. I haven't tested it yet. So Trent, go in the bathroom.
Bathroom, okay.
See that drawer that's down there on the bottom?
Yeah.
So stick your finger in the hole and pull it out. Might be a little tough, so pull hard. There you go. Okay, it pulled all the way out. Now use it as a step stool. No, put that back in there.
Oh. I'll use it as a suction?
Yeah, pull it all the way out.
You should make a suction like this for me.
I'm going to.
Oh man, this is wonderful. I'm washing my hands, Joe.
How's it work?
Good. Just when you jump on, it's a little slippery.
A little nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Boom, kick it in there. Nice.
Bam!
Bam!
I don't know why I just did that. Dad, did you not have two pockets? One, then two?
I know, that second pocket is weird. They don't ever, you don't ever do anything with it. It's just there. Alright, peace out.
Peace out!
I like pretending that we have grass. In a week, it'll be dirt.
Daddy, catch.
So we're going on our afternoon walk. We try to go walk before dinner. Sometimes we'll go up the hill, sometimes we'll go around the block, sometimes we'll go to the ditch. It's all different. We usually have a beer too, but we're out. We're not making a grocery run anytime soon. Okay. What are you doing? Are you being a statue? Are you the soldier? Thank you, sir.
He's not wearing shoes.
I'm not this cute.
Really?
Can't you do them?
This is gonna be the longest walk ever.
He loves picking up things off the ground as he walks.
I think he's got 3 rocks right now.
River.
Oh, 4. He did sticks earlier. I think he carried 6 sticks in one hand.
There they go. There it goes. What?
Hey, you should see Toma. There's a bunny in the bushes, and then Tona went for it.
What?
He was so close to it.
He would have gotten it and not known what to do with it.
Yeah. Maybe like eat it. No, we could eat it for dinner.
Rivula comfy. playing in the rocks. That doesn't feel great. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, love. Wait, are you talking to them or me?
You. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. There's not much to do. Okay.
I see you. I see you.
Baby.
Hi, good morning. Hi, Kona. Oh. Oh.
Dang, Jack.
What happened?
Did he just steal your toy?
Did Kona take your stick? Eggs. Hey. Oh, Lord. Uh-oh.
Thief.
Look at the back of River's head. Dad, look at the back of River's head. Oh, let's get all over the camera.